Imagine yourself in this GMC 2019 Sierra 2500 HD 4WD Crew Cab 153.7 SLT. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: 4-wheel ABS, 4-wheel disc brakes, 4x4, 6-speed automatic transmission, 8-cylinder engine, AC, adjustable pedals, adjustable steering wheel and alarm. If you are looking for a new truck, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.